In a quiet pine grove, a small group learns to camp with respect for the land and its rhythms. A ranger demonstrates leave no trace techniques showing how to minimize fires, store food, and leave trails undisturbed. They observe dusk turning to night as owls call from nearby oaks and stars prick the clear sky. The lesson shifts to navigation by natural cues and water sources, turning a simple camp into a science of survival. By dawn, footprints are tidy, the lake reflects a quiet commitment, and the campers depart wiser about nature's gifts.